Hello friends, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you the basics of Dart programming. To be specific, I will teach you on how to create addition of two numbers using Dart programming language. Before we continue guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support and viewers also. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to share on social media, and please support my channel by subscribing. Your subscription in my channel is highly appreciated for the growth of my channel. Thank you so much in advance. So here, let's get started guys. So I'm using Visual Code as my text editor. So I have here a comment, addition / asterisk addition.dart. Yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada in IT. So in Dart programming language, C and C++ comment is acceptable because it is based on C. So we have here line number 7, Dart, import Dart :IO for input output in our program, a library file. So we have here void main, similar to C, starting point of our program, std out the write new line, and then print. We have here the title of our program, \t horizontal tab addition of two numbers in Dart, \n, std out that write give first value. Normally for the input output it is string, so we have here input 1, std out that write give second value, input 2, new line. So in this line of code, because it is string, it is not nullable. So if input 1 not null and input 2 not null, this line of code will be the conversion from string to integer. So we have here another variables, two variables, num1, num2, so equals num1 equals int parsed input 1 here. The same thing with num2 input 2. So we have here val sum equals open parenthesis num1 number 1 plus number 2 close print. The sum of $num1 and $num2 is $sum print end of close of our if statement, print \t end of program \n new line, and then curly bracket to close. So this line of code informs the user that the program is already been ended. Okay, so let us run the code in the terminal window in our Visual Studio Code. So we'll just issue a command Dart space addition .dart. Press the enter key. Sorry, wrong spelling, I forgot to put N. That's fine. Okay, so our program is currently running addition of two numbers in Dart. Enter first value, let's say we have 6. Second value, let's say we have 3. So the sum of 6 and 3 is 9 in the program. Let us clear the screen for second example. Okay, Dart addition.dart, enter. Okay, addition of two numbers in Dart, and give first value we have 8, second value let's say we have 9. So the sum of 8 and 9 is 17 in a program. So that's it guys on how to create addition of two numbers in Dart. Thank you so much for watching. Actually, the Dart programming language is not as difficult it may seem. If you have a background in C, C++, or Java, or C#, your adaptation with Dart programming it's much easier because it is based on C programming language. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel if you are new by subscribing. I will put a link in the description below of this video, guys, so that you can download the complete and free program listing of our addition of 2 numbers in the art. So this is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for now.